Hello, Tim. How are you today?
I'm good, Rosie. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Let's talk about school life, family, and free time today. What time do you go to school, Tim?
I go to school at 7 in the morning. I like going early to meet my friends.
How do you go to school, Rosie?
I go to school by bicycle. It's healthy and fun for me.
What subject do you like the most?
I like English because I love learning new words and speaking. It helps me communicate with people.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Ms. Anna. She teaches math and always explains clearly.
Do you like doing homework?
Sometimes I do. It helps me practice what I learned in class.
What do you do during the school break?
I talk with my friends and sometimes play games. It's fun to relax between lessons.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat in the school canteen. The food is simple but tasty.
What time do your classes finish?
My classes finish at 2 o'clock. After that, I go home and rest.
Do you wear a school uniform?
Yes, I do. It makes everyone look neat and equal.
What do you like most about your school?
I like my teachers and friends. The environment is friendly and clean.
Do you like studying with friends?
Yes, studying with friends is fun. We help each other understand lessons better.
What subject do you find difficult?
I find science a little hard, but I try my best to learn it.
How many students are in your class?
There are 30 students in my class. We all get along very well.
Do you take part in school activities?
Yes, I join the school singing club. It helps me express myself.
What do you usually do after school?
I do my homework and sometimes play football with my friends. It's relaxing after studying.
Do you like your school library?
Yes, it's very quiet and full of interesting books. I go there often to read.
How often do you have exams?
We have exams every 2 months. They help check our progress.
What do you do before exams?
I review my lessons and ask teachers questions. It helps me feel ready.
What's your favorite thing about school events?
I like seeing students perform. It makes the school more lively.
Do you enjoy group work?
Yes, I do. It teaches me how to work with others.
What do you do on the weekend, Tim?
I usually spend time with my family. We like cooking or going for walks together.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, I visit them every weekend. They always tell me stories and give me fruit.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. We love spending time together.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother does most of the cooking. She makes delicious food for everyone.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help clean my room and wash the dishes. It feels good to help.
What do you like most about your family?
We always support each other. That makes me feel loved and safe.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister. She is funny and likes to draw.
What do you do with your siblings?
We watch movies or play games together. It's always fun.
What do your parents do for work?
My father is a teacher and my mother is a nurse. They both work very hard.
Do you eat dinner together with your family?
Yes, we always eat dinner together. It's our favorite time to talk.
Who helps you with homework at home?
My dad helps me with math and my mom helps me with English. They are very patient.
What do you like doing with your family on holidays?
We like going to the park or the beach. We enjoy spending time together outside.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He is very friendly and playful.
What do you do in your free time, Rosie?
I like reading books and listening to music. They make me feel relaxed.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football with my friends after school. It's my favorite hobby.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It always makes me feel happy.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially cartoons. They make me laugh.
How often do you go out with your friends?
Maybe once a week, we go for snacks or walk in the park.
What games do you like to play?
I like playing chess and football. Both are fun and good for thinking.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I love painting colorful pictures. It helps me be creative.
How do you spend your Sunday?
I wake up late, clean my room, and help my mom. Then I rest and read a book.
Do you watch TV often?
Not too much. I prefer reading or listening to songs.
What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks about adventure. They are very exciting.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes I play games on my phone, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling with my family. I like seeing new places.
Where did you go last holiday?
We went to the countryside. It was quiet and beautiful.
Do you take pictures when you travel?
Yes, I take many pictures. They help me remember happy moments.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like helping my mom cook dinner. I can make noodles and eggs.
Do you like spending time alone?
Sometimes, yes. I read books or draw when I'm alone.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Saturday is my favorite day. I don't have school, and I can relax.
Do you help your parents in the garden?
Yes, I help water the plants. It's nice to see them grow.
What's your favorite family tradition?
We always have a big dinner on Sundays. Everyone cooks something special.
Do you like going shopping with your family?
Yes, I like helping choose fruits and snacks. It's fun to go together.
Do you ever visit your cousins?
Yes, I visit them on holidays. We play and have a great time.
What do you like doing at night?
I like reading a story before bed. It helps me sleep well.
What time do you sleep, Rosie?
I usually sleep at 9 o'clock. I like having enough rest.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up at 6. I like to start my day early.
Do you do morning exercise?
Yes, I do stretching and a little jogging. It keeps me healthy.
What is your favorite meal of the day?
Breakfast is my favorite meal. It gives me energy for school.
Do you pack your lunch for school?
Yes, sometimes my mom packs rice and vegetables. It's always tasty.
What time do you come home from school?
I come home at 3 in the afternoon. Then I rest for a while.
Do you study every evening?
Yes, I study for 1 hour each night. It helps me stay ready for class.
How do you prepare for tests?
I read my notes and practice exercises. I also ask my teacher for help.
What's your dream job, Rosie?
I want to be a teacher. I love helping children learn.
What's your favorite thing about learning English?
I like speaking and listening. It helps me talk to people from other countries.
Do you enjoy school trips?
Yes, I love them. They are fun and educational.
What is your favorite season for school holidays?
I like summer holidays. The weather is nice and I can swim.
What do you want to do in your next holiday?
I want to visit the beach with my family. I love the sea.
Do you think family time is important?
Yes, it's very important. Family makes us feel loved and happy.
What do you like most about your daily life, Rosie?
I like learning new things and spending time with my loved ones. Every day feels special.
That was a nice talk, Tim.
Yes, I enjoyed it too, Rosie.
Let's chat again soon about another topic.
Sure. See you next time.